In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a barcode in Microsoft Excel. We're going to turn a column of existing codes into scannable barcodes using a simple Excel formula and a barcode font. The process is straightforward, but a couple of the setup details matter quite a bit, so I'll walk you through them clearly. To begin, make sure the column that contains your original codes is formatted as text. This is important because Excel likes to automatically change certain values, especially numbers with leading zeros. If that happens, the barcode may not generate correctly. Formatting the column as text helps preserve the code exactly as it was entered. Once that's ready, the next thing we need to do is add brackets around each code. But instead of typing them manually into every cell, we're going to do it in a way that works dynamically with a formula. This is useful because it saves time and makes it easy to apply the same setup across multiple rows. Now click into the target cell, meaning the cell where you want the barcode version to be generated. This will usually be in a separate column next to your original code. In that target cell, start entering the formula by typing an equal sign, then a quotation mark, then an opening bracket, and then another quotation mark. After that, type an ampersand. Right after the ampersand, enter the cell reference for the code you want to convert. This tells Excel to combine the opening bracket with the existing code in that other cell. Next, type another ampersand, then add the closing bracket inside quotation marks and press enter. At that point, you should see the original code wrapped in brackets. That result is exactly what we need because it becomes the base structure for the barcode format. If you have multiple rows of codes, you don't need to repeat the formula manually each time. Just use the small square in the bottom right corner of the selected cell and drag it downward to copy the formula through the rest of the rows. Excel will automatically adjust the cell references for you. After that, go to the barcode column and change the font to ID Automation HC38M. This is the step that visually transforms the bracketed code into a barcode. If the text doesn't change into barcode lines, double check that the font is applied to the correct cells and that the formula result includes both the opening and closing brackets. And that's it. Once the font is applied, your barcode should appear right in Excel ready to use.